Hello Jollynatics! For today's video, meron kami na-discover at isi-share na chicken joints that offers not only your typical fried chicken but with a unique and level up inspired flavors. Bali nandito nga tayo sa Pollo Chicken located along Posadas Avenue, Sucat, Muntinlupa, and malapit nga lang to sa Colegio de Muntinlupa at Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal National Shrine Parish, kaya madali nyo lang itong mahahanap. Ito naman yung kanilang dining area na malinis at maaliwalas na itsura at setup pa lang akalain mong nasa mall eh. And kung dati nga true deliveries lang sila, ngayon meron na silang 2 branches, isa dito sa Muntinlupa at meron din sa Taguig. Ito naman yung kanilang menu items na meron pang solo or di kaya naman for groups, and since family nga kami, inabil namin dito is yung kanilang group bundle for 990 pesos. May kasama na nga yung 12 pieces ng boneless fried chicken with 2 flavors, 4 rice, 2 noodles, and 2 fries. And syempre, tikiman time na. Simulan na nga natin dito sa kanilang fries. Nothing fancy about their fries, straightforward, pero talaga magdadala dito yung gravy eh. Masarap yung pagkakatimpla, saktong salty at peppery lang yung lasa niya. Dito naman tayo sa japchae, hindi masyadong oily, seasoned well, at yung gamit nilang ditong glass noodles hindi masyadong makapal. Next naman is yung kanilang signature salted egg noodles, and nakakatuwa nga since first time nga lang namin makakatikim neto. In fairness, ang sarap din ng combination ng mismong salted egg powder pati na rin yung ginamit nilang curry leaf oil. And dito na nga tayo sa kanilang mga boneless fried chicken. Since may kids kami, pinili namin is salted egg flavor, which is same flavor dun sa egg noodles kanina. And promise ang sarap talaga nito. Given na malasa na talaga yung salted egg powder, pero hindi ko alam paano nila ginawa yung curry leaf oil eh. Kasi for me yun talaga yung nag-level up ng flavor na to eh. And yung isa pang panalo dito is yung kanilang honey garlic, saktong alat at tamis, and ang amazing nga dito kahit coated yung chicken nila, crunchy pa rin. Tapos ang galing nga rin nung nakaisip nitong caramelized garlic chips eh. Para ka nga lang kumain ng banana chips eh, but it really added texture and flavor doon sa chicken. And for me talagang panalo to. By default nga meron kasamang 4 plain rice yung bundle na to, pero nag-upgrade kami ng tig-isa. For additional 50 pesos, nag-upgrade kami ng isang kimchi rice, and really must try yung kimchi rice nila. Sarap ng pagkatimpla and meron talagang kimchi chunks. And for additional 20 pesos nga, nag-upgrade kami ng isang signature fried rice. Buttery yung mismong lasa ng fried rice, tapos meron siyang toppings na akala ko nga nung una garlic, pero it's their signature cereal toppings, which is made of oats and other secret ingredients, and for me it really tastes good. And honestly, yung boneless chicken nila dito, pagdating sa quality at serving, panalo talaga eh. And in my opinion, talagang papalag sa mga kilala na nating chicken joints. Pagdating sa lasa at quality, mapabata or matanda, and I'm sure magugustuhan to. We also tried their gochujang, and ang unique nga ng concept nito kasi pinagsama yung gochujang paste and yung Charlie Chan sauce, and surprisingly talagang nagko-complement to each other. Creamy dahil dun sa egg yolk, tapos naghahalo yung lasa ng sweet, spicy, and peanutty flavors. And lastly, umorder kami nung kanilang original fried chicken that started it all. May kasama na nga din yung 5 rice, signature gravy, at saktong-sakto nga tong ipampasalubong or di kaya panghanda sa mga gatherings or occasions. And kung malayo naman kayo, don't worry, available sila for deliveries through Foodpanda and Grab. And if you're looking for a venue sa mga special events and gatherings, nag-accept din sila dito, and they can accommodate up to 30 packs. So there you go Jollynatics, sana nabigyan ulit namin kayo ng idea kung saan masarap mag food trip, at kung naghahanap nga kayo ng more than your usual fried chicken, matatagpuan nyo nga yan dito sa Pollo Chicken. And kung natakamat nag-enjoy nga kayo sa video na to, please don't forget to like, share, and follow our page for more videos like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching!